Hey brother, welcome back. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching and subscribing. Hey, I have made a series of videos. If you haven't seen them already, go check them out on my channel, Happy Man Coaching. And in this video, I want to tell you about a book that has been very transformational. It's actually, you see this smile on my face? I have this smile on my face, and my wife actually has a smile on her face as well. This is a book that I'm going to tell you about that has a lot of great Amazon reviews, and a lot of those reviews are by the women of the men who purchased this book. So without any further ado, she comes first. Now, this book, let me tell you what, I read this book when I was 46. Yeah, seems like 46, 47. And I had to say to myself, how am I a mature man and I did not understand some of the anatomy of a woman, some of the interconnected nerve endings of the female body? How is it that I did not fully understand cunnilingus and orgasm? How is it that that I could get so much from this book and having been on the planet for so long? And like I said, when men buy this book, the women of the men leave reviews for this book. It will teach you all the different pieces and parts of the female anatomy, particularly the clit, the vagina, the G-spot, the erogenous zones. These are maybe words that you've heard before, but until you go through a book like this that really describes it, tells you how the nerve endings are interconnected, gives you tips and techniques for pleasuring her, it really goes a long way toward helping you understand how to pleasure a woman. It also talks about the things that may be getting in her way of being able to relax so that she can enjoy it. Things as simple as the temperature of the room, or whether or not there are kids in the house. I tell you, if you just the one tip right off the bat is make sure that the room is not cold. Make sure that it is comfortable. And if she tends to have her feet get cold, get her some sexy sort of thigh-high kind of socks that she can wear, that can be part of the sex play and things like that, and it'll keep her feet warm, and she'll be much more comfortable, and then she'll actually be less distracted, and she'll be able to focus in on enjoying the pleasure that you're trying to provide to her. It also talks in here about not performing, that we get up in our head about performing, and it encourages us not to perform. It actually encourages us to be in the room and to express our pleasure and in giving her pleasure, and that actually arouses her and helps her to orgasm. So this is a good book on a bunch of different levels. I highly recommend that you read it. I don't generally assign this as reading in my men's coaching because, or not. I don't assign it till later because we have to get past. You don't want to just jump right to the sex. You have to overcome some of your thoughts and beliefs first. You also have to understand what real love is, because you have to create connection with her and have that intimacy before you have your physical intimacy with each other. And like I said, there's a whole list of books over here that if you haven't watched the other videos, go do that. But this book is exceptionally good. Now, the other thing that I'm going to recommend that you do is that you get yourself a paper journal, that you keep record of your thoughts and your feelings. This is going to help you to understand your beliefs. This is going to help you to understand your patterns. It's going to help you to understand yourself better. You combine these two books, you read this book, and you keep a journal, it'll transform your life. It'll transform your sex life. It'll transform other areas of your life as well. Like I said, go back and watch the other videos that I talk about money, we talk about monkey mind, we talk about shame, we talk about all kinds of things. And if any of that interests you, if you need help with any of that, if you would like to move past some of your self-limiting beliefs, if you'd like to have more of the things in your life that you want, contact me at happymancoaching.com. Let's talk about it. Let's compare notes. I can share with you all the ways that I got in my own way and how I held myself back with my own self-limiting beliefs and how I was able to move past those self-limiting beliefs to have and be and do what I want in my life. All right. I love you, brother. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.